You are going to love the 2009 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, child safety locks, bucket seats, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.